What's up, Patlab? Si Renz po. Sorry, baka hindi ako makapunta ng Christmas party. So, dito lang ako sa video ni Ma'am Gladys. Just wanna greet you all Merry Christmas. And good luck po sa mga bago and then sa mga luma po. Umalis na kayo. Yun lang. Shot na lang tayo. Thanks. Ma'am Lee.
Hello everyone. I just want to take this opportunity to greet you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Although, medyo maiksi talaga yung time na nilagi ko dyan with you guys sa Patlab. I'm really thankful pa rin sa lahat ng mga experiences, sa lahat ng mga natutunan ko, sa lahat ng guidance na binigay, and most especially sa mga friendship na nakuha ko dyan with you. I wish you all the best, all the happiness in life, and I'm hoping na continuously pa rin yung quality service na nagbibigay ng Patlab. Well, I'm pretty sure naman na nangyayari yun dahil alam ko kung gaano ka-hardworking lahat ng mga staff dyan, simula sa mga bosses, sa mga TLs, sa mga medtechs, sa mga even sa reset and lobby. Lahat tayo, I know how hardworking are we to produce quality results, efficient results. So, ayun, I hope to see you all again in the future, maybe. For now, enjoy niyo muna yung Christmas party. Party niyo muna ako at ikain. Merry Christmas again. Bye-bye.
Hi guys! Kailangan talaga may props at nasa likod ang Christmas tree. Anyway, I would like to thank you all guys for making my time at Asian Hospital a truly memorable and enjoyable one. And I miss working with you guys. And I miss you all. Miss ko na kayo lahat. And Merry Christmas! And all the best in New Year. See you around. Bye!
Hello, Tata Peeps! Merry Christmas! Kamusta? I heard na ang theme ng party niya this year is favorite cartoon characters. Gusto ko rin sana to be in costume for you, but then ang hirap gayahin yung mga favorite ko, so I just brought them along. Ito si Loki at saka si Monster. Ayan, kamusta naman kayong lahat dyan? Ako, eto, tumataba, nagkakabisni. Well, the lab has been through a lot of challenges and changes this past few years, but it seems naman that Karina is doing well, being your OIC, but of course, hindi naman niya magagawa yun without your help and support. Pati yung support din syempre dyan ni Dr. Castillo, hi Dr. and all our associate pathologists. I wish you all the best. Sana maging matibay pa, mas matibay pa ang inyong samahan bilang Patlab family. And maging good team leaders and team players providing quality healthcare for your patients. Sana yung mga pasaway, bago na. And I hope you respect each other's responsibilities. Well, if you need help, dito lang ako. You can always message me on Facebook. Lagi akong online. And I'm also on WhatsApp and Viber. Tricky na ako ngayon. Just ask for my number from all the team leaders. And I think that's about it. I hope you enjoy your party and sana if you happen to go to Singapore for some vacation, give me naman ako. I'll treat you for dinner. And then, what else? Yeah, I think that's all. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your party. Have a prosperous New Year. Bye.
My name is Kenneth. Merry Christmas to you guys. Happy New Year. Hi, Mama Nell.
This is quite different, no? Because I was really open rituals, Christmas parties, this time. We have Asian, very Christmas message. But just the same, you are always in my prayers, stay strong, and I know you're still, and you'll always be the #1 important patience and love each other. I miss you, and I will always love you, Pat Love. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
What would you think if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing out of key. I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. What do I do when my love is away? Does it worry you to be alone? How do I feel by the end of the day? Are you sad because you're on your own? No, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I need somebody to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Would you believe in a love at first sight? Yes, I'm certain that it happens all the time. What do you see when you turn out the light? I can't tell you, but I know it's mine. I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I just need someone to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. I get by with a little help from my friends. I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. I get by with a little help from my friends. With a little help from my friends.
I can't win, I can't reign. I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you. I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you, without you. I can't quit now, this can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you. without you, without you, without you. For this town, we're all in my mouth. Only I don't know how they got out here. Turn me back into the bed I was when we met. I was happier then with no mindset. And if you turn to me like a girl takes to win, I'd jump from my trees and die and dance like a king in the ice. So the rest of our lives were dead one. You slang when you notice the stripes, the dirt in your fries. Hope it's right when you die, old and bold.
Hi Patlab! Merry Christmas! I'm your ex Patlab, Ida Corazon Anaya, aka Georgina Wilson. Sana nag-enjoy pa rin kayo dyan kahit wala na ako. And thanks for remembering me. Thank you Ma'am Gladys for inviting me to be a part of your Christmas party. Sorry, wala ako dyan. Merry Christmas. Sana maging mabait pa din kayo. Si Annette, sila Megan, Nam Lay, and everything. Hello, bye-bye. Yun lang.
Godspeed, all the beggars at dawn, and they all cut their thumb and bleed into the bar.
Antayin niyo ako dyan. After 5 years, mag-a-apply ulit ako sa Asian Hospital as a resident doctor. Antayin niyo ako dyan, ha? Hi, Doctor. Smile always, guys. Miss you! Sobrang miss ko na ang toxic ng Patlab. Yung multitasking, yung hindi pagkain every lunchtime. Wala eh, obvious naman. I'm so fat na. Si K1, si Megan, sobrang payat. Paano nangyari yun? Si Lola Meg, wala lang. Miss ko na kayo. Yun lang. Annette and Chris, together as one. Antayin ko yung wedding nyo, ah. Bye-bye!
Oh, ano yan?
Hindi pa matapos yung video na yan. O ano, nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Ano?
Dapat nag-enjoy kayo. Kasi haggard na si girl.
Galing pa sa Makati to.
May date pa ako mamaya.
O si Ma'am Jess, magpa-plan pa ng...
Oo,